Whoa, yeah. Ngasale qembu like Wu-Tang. Spirits on 100 xa sidlula siyavuthela.
How come you be strong like that? Got to go on. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on. Kama medi puskiwe mal, ni business on hold. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on.
Baka never on the beat is a goal and the open and the giwe. Better to tower, we call it a team, so it's bonus lele, almost like a gid. Sends a manuel like a scoble the beat. So it's a hit, I got never on the beat with my bros with the team, but I say the kid. Bet we be bringing the formula. I was doing this shit to dress these niggas kinda like bit. Fell in love with music, busy with clothes, here to do what I do, mnamzito. These clothes are man, it's time for I bring the tadabum tizo. Been doing this shit since from way back, I ain't tell no lies. Some scars but I hear my sound, they scared from
How come you be strong like that? Got to go on. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on. Kama medi puskiwe mal, ni business on hold. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on. How come you be strong like that? Got to go on. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on. Kama medi puskiwe mal, ni business on hold. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on.
Back in the studio, it's been a long time. Niggas start shaking, I'm breaking their arms, breaking their circles, connecting mine. Seriously, niggas is chasing the cloud. Let's keep it real, it's about time. This ain't no gimmick, this ain't no lies. This ain't your style, this is my grind. Nigga be joking, she feel like he high. If you want war, I'm already prepped. Gotta restore my dignity back. You're not in control, cause this alcohol is fucking up your medulla instead. I got no time for this freaky ass niggas, I'm tryna get back on the track. Coming out different in this motherfucker, man, I even cut off my dreads. I stay on my lane by myself, I don't need a chauffeur. Taking care of myself, you know I'm a grown up. If he can't no cheat code, I think he's a hoe now. If he tryna get smoke, let me give it all now. Smoke them all now, watch me taking over. We got no time for these lames, we up. Pull up 6 o'clock, get dope in the cup. Kill my ganga, you know what's up.
How come you be strong like that? Got to go on. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on. Kama medi puskiwe mal, ni business on hold. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on. How come you be strong like that? Got to go on. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on. Kama medi puskiwe mal, ni business on hold. Everywhere a nigga pull up, just see on.